Guys, Chase Friedman. I'm the managing consultant at Venn Technology. We are first and foremost a Salesforce implementation partner, and so for a lot of our clients, we will connect Salesforce to another platform or service utilizing Workato. One of our biggest struggles internally with our sales team is getting data that they know in their heads into our Salesforce org so we can keep track of our deals, of our contacts, of our accounts, so on and so forth. And so we came up with an answer for this problem utilizing the Workbot connection that Workato has in Slack. And we built this out and we call it the meeting tool. The meeting tool will check everyone's calendars on our sales team, and every 5 minutes we'll go and look to see if a meeting is about to end. So 5 minutes before their meeting ends, the sales consultant gets a notification via Workbot that their meeting is ending and that there's contacts that are not in Salesforce. This is perfect because right before their meeting is ending, they're wrapping up, they're pulling things together, they're getting ready to walk out the door, but before that happens, they know everybody in the room, they've hopefully know all their names, and they can go and create these contacts right in Slack without having to pull up a bunch of other information. So we take everything that we know from their calendar and prompt them to create these contacts in Salesforce with just a couple click of buttons. So here I've got one that's that's popped up for me on my calendar. It's a meeting with myself, and this particular email address is not in Salesforce. So I'm going to go ahead and click create. And when I do that, I'm going to get some information back, just some quick messages from Workbot letting me know that it's working. It'll go and then look at full contact. It'll reach out to full contact to see if it can find details on this email address. If it can, it actually will go ahead and pull that up and see what those details are. So I used to work for Mays Business School, and Full Contact still has that information in there. So it pulled that data in, and it's now going to ask me, should I use Mays Business School, because that, according to Full Contact, is my primary workplace. So I'm actually going to click use Mays Business School, and it's going to go and then make sure that that account is created. If not, it might update it. And then it will prompt me to continue to create this contact record. So here it has some of my old information. I was the digital services and marketing manager. It's got my first name and last name. All this data came from Full Contact, and we're about to put it into Salesforce as a contact. Here I can use the values that it's given back to me. So if all of this looks good, I can click use these values. If not, I can change any of these, change first name, change email, so on and so forth. And actually change everything if you need to. So I'm just going to go ahead and click use these values because they look good. And then it'll go and confirm that this account has been created in Salesforce. It's already related it to the account that I've confirmed. It's got the created date, contact name, so on and so forth. And then you can actually click this link to go to that contact record if you wanted to. You can then create an opportunity for this guy. So if you've got a meeting on the fly that happens in an hour and you don't have time to figure out whether or not this is actually going to be an opportunity, you can click the Create Opportunity button, and it will run you through the steps to create an opportunity. So I'm just going to type test opportunity for Workbot in Slack. Press enter. Enter the close date. So I'm going to enter, let's see, tomorrow's date, 12/9/2017. Enter the stage. I'm going to type in prospecting. Enter the type of business. So here you could add in whatever additional fields you want to prompt for. I'm just going to click none for now because this is just a demo. And bam, my opportunity was created. So I can click on my opportunity link, and then using some deals here, we have the ability to add in additional buttons. So this one was just thrown in here automatically because it connected that we're looking at contacts and accounts, so I could create another opportunity if I wanted to. In the future, we're looking to add buttons to create cases, events, activities, tasks, so on and so forth. But this is the tool that we use to make sure that our sales team gets the data that we need in Salesforce as soon as possible when it's at the top of their minds, instead of having to come back later and ask them to do it, on a daily basis. So if you want something like this, or you're interested in something like this, reach out to us at venntechnology.com, and we will look forward to talking to you.